Project number 2 for the day. Flat tire. You could fix the flat. You could put, some, compressed air in there. But
hey,
instead
we're a well-funded operation here. Only the best.
Instead, we're going to use this foam goo. This is going to soon replace compressed air in all tires.
Alright. Yeah!
There it goes. I might have to zoom in so you can see that fluid.
Oh, I don't know that it's doing anything.
No, it's spraying the goopy goodness in there. This will probably take several hours. It's going to be a very long video. This engine sounds a lot more powerful without a proper exhaust system.
Am I done here? I don't know.
Maybe you can just put like a clip or something on the thing. We're probably going to use the whole can.
I think that's it.
Really?
Sweet. It's not going to put air in it. It just, Oh yeah, look at that shit.
I'd say you just I'd say use the whole can.
No, I got to use it for the other tire, man.
Oh. But it's still flat. So the tire's still flat, but that thing's will be fine. Oh, he's going to put air in it, too. I thought you just filled the whole thing with foam. Did you read the instructions?
Yeah, I did.
Shake can vigorously. You didn't shake the can vigorously. You forgot to shake the can vigorously. This is never going to work. I did see you push the button down firmly, so that was pretty good. Yeah, it does say if needed, add air up.
This is a smoker's car.
Great! Free cigarettes with the purchase of every beater Ford Taurus SHO. How many are left? Is it my brand? Well, until we get an endorsement, we don't have a brand. This video was brought to you by Jennings Motorsports.